Hello. If you do have some challenges when it comes to your PC, you might be having limitation in the RAM, or you might have a limitation on a processor side. Then I do have an alternative when it comes to installation of Visual Studio. So what you can do is that if you do have this limitation, then you can install older version of Visual Studio. I can even give you this URL. This URL can help you download the earlier versions of Visual Studio, and that can definitely save a space and also a performance issue if you do have with the latest Visual Studio version. So here, if you want to install any older version application of Visual Studio, you do have a choices. You can go back till 2013. So if you are really having constraints when it comes to the space on your PC, you can go with 2013 version, and you can simply go and download this version. And if you got an uh, option, the installation window during installation, and you got an option to choose the components, make sure that you only select the .NET desktop development related components and do not install any other programming language. Your .NET desktop development component already has Visual Basic and C Sharp with it. So you don't need to worry about these two languages at least, and you can complete your installation of Visual Studio.